Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review for Sunber hair. I'm just unboxing, showing you guys what they sent over in the package. Some nails, a wig cap, and an elastic band. And now we are going to go ahead and unbox the wig. This is a fluffy loose wave texture wig, and it has curtain bangs. So as you can see, it has a lot of curls in it already straight out of the package. And I like how they put the little roller on there so it can just be ready to go. I've never seen a wig arrive with a roller. I was like, what is this? So they did have the bang, curled up so it can be ready to go. This is what the loose waves look like, and then it has this little bang section in the front. You have a comb in the back. You have an adjustable band in the middle, and then you have a large lace space in the front, and they also put wig tape on the side that helps so that the wig can lay flat and you can wear it glueless. So I'll show you guys how I do that a little later. So I'm just trying on the wig straight out of the pack so you guys can see already. I love the luster of it. I love the curls that they already have in there, so you can definitely just wear it and go. But y'all know me, I like to be a little extra. I like to customize a little bit, and right there I was just tightening the elastic band so it could be nice and tight. That way it'll be easier to wear glueless. So this is just what it looks like, the bang and everything. Y'all know I do not like hair in my face, so I am going to cut the bang a little lower because I like to be able to see out of my eyes. But I do like that they did it like this because everybody's forehead section is not the same, and you may need to adjust to your head so that it can be fully customizable. You can definitely keep it like that, or you can cut the bangs like what I'm doing. And I'm trying to follow along with how they cut it, because some parts they had at a slant, so I'm just going little piece by little piece. But another trick, if you don't want to cut it, you can just push your wig back a little bit, and then your bang can go up a little bit. But anyway, I just cut off a few pieces. It didn't take much at all. I'm definitely a beginner when it comes to cutting. I am not a professional, so I think anybody can do it. So this is the wig tape that they already had attached to the wig, and then they sent over a lot of extra wig tape. So I'm just lifting it, peeling it off, and then I'm just sticking it down. This helps so that the wig isn't going anywhere. On the sides, they aren't sticking up, and it helps it so that it's more secure and I can still wear it glueless. Super duper easy, doesn't leave any residue or anything like that. And I'm just pressing down on it for a few seconds, and then it is nice and secure. So everything is secure on my head, and now I'm going to add a couple layers to it. I'm just measuring from where they had theirs, and I'm just adding a couple more in the front to frame my face, and then around. Since I am going to add my own curls, I like for them to be really nice and fluffy, so I want to make some layers so I can achieve that look. Okay, now I am going to curl the hair. I'm basically just refreshing the curls because it was already curled, and I loved how they had it curled, but I just want it to be nice and fresh and new. So I'm just going and curling the hair, going backwards. I'm starting from the bottom on one side and working my way up to the top, and then I'm going to do that on both sides. And as you can see, I'm not really keeping the curling iron on there for too long because I don't want them to be super tight curls, just some nice loose body wave curls to match with the texture that the hair already is. Okay, y'all, so I'm all done with my hair. I'm just going over like the parting area a little bit with the hot comb, making sure everything is how I want it to be. And my hair is super curly, super cute, and I'm just like bumping it a little bit with my curling iron. I don't know why I was so scared to do that, because I didn't want it to look like, you know, like a old school granny bang, but I still wanted to have like a little curl to it, so I just went over it really lightly so that it wasn't too tight of a curl. And now we are going to finger comb the hair out. I was making sure that everything was nice and cool, and I'm gonna finger comb it, and then I'm also going to use my paddle brush, and that's going to give me the look that I am going for. As you guys can see, this hair, oh my gosh, is absolutely gorgeous texture. I just love hair where I could just run my fingers through it. I didn't get any tangles or anything like that, no shedding, no tangles, and you can see that it's like nice and shiny, and it just has a beautiful luster. It just has so much body, and that's what we love to see. That is what we love to see. We love our hair to have movement and body and all of that good stuff. So I'm just showing you guys, you know, from the side what it looks like and how beautiful it is, all of the angles. And now I'm gonna do like a little style. We're going to do an updo style, but we're gonna keep the bangs down and like the pieces down at the side. We're just gonna pull it up just so you guys can see that this wig is versatile. You can do half up, half down. You can even like pull it all up. It's up to you. So since you have a lot of lace all in the front, you can definitely do different things with it. You're not limited, which I love. So I'm just, you know, keeping it simple. I'm just pulling it up into a ponytail at the top. I'm going to go in with my curling iron a little bit so that I can make sure like the curls on the ponytail is nice and fresh. But it came out super duper cute, a little half up, half down. So yeah, y'all, as you can see, this wig is very versatile, it's very cute, and it's still very beginner friendly because I really didn't have to do much to it. So if you like this wig, and if you want to switch up your look and get like a curtain bang, you know, we got Valentine's Day coming up, you want to switch up your look, it's always good to switch up your look. You can definitely do that with this wig. I will have the link and everything down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.